What makes the Entrepreneurship Avenue so special is that it's not only the conference today, but also an entire event series. We have a kickoff, but also we have then an entire workshop series where students really have the chance to work on their own ideas, get feedback, so they experience the full journey of entrepreneurship. They have the chance to try it out in a safe space for the first time.
The atmosphere today is so amazing. There's so many students, so many partners and startups. You can just feel it in the air, how much people want to innovate and do something incredible and change the world.
If students are super passionate and motivated and organize events like this for other students, it will always help, either to connect yourself with experts from the field or to just meet people or to get inspired.
I love the opportunity to come here and share a little bit of knowledge just supporting entrepreneurs.
It's very valuable to have these kind of events because students can learn from people who are already in a startup or have other experience.
When I studied here in 1977 to 1980, entrepreneurship was not on the curriculum. And I'm so glad that it's done now.
Organizing Entrepreneurship Avenue was such an honor. It was so much fun. It was a lot of work, but it was totally worth it. And seeing the outcome today was amazing.
The market, the economy is so volatile. You can have the best idea, but for certain reasons, economic or otherwise, you don't make it. That doesn't mean your idea was bad. So you wait 2 years and you try again and you try again and you try again. That's the way you become successful nowadays.
You have to adapt to market environment, to what your customers need, and those needs might change over time. So be obsessed with solving problems and not being in love with your own solution.
Failure is just a good thing at the end of the day, otherwise you can't learn, and we all fail every day, so just go for it, try it, and that's the only way you can be successful.
Get used to failure, it's okay, and just keep working at it, solving customer problems. Put the customer first.
My advice for females would be just go for it, just do it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just go out there and hustle and connect.
We really need to get companies to change their culture and their rules because they are simply bigger and it's something bigger there. You need the system changing.
Please be courageous enough and just simply try and work it out because the world needs you, the world needs your perspective as a woman.
I'd really like to say thank you to our partners, our speakers, our mentors. Thank you for your time, for your commitment. And most importantly, thank you to our amazing organizing team. They are the true heroes behind the scenes.
Take the chance, come here and exchange with people who've done it, who are a few steps ahead and learn from them. And I think that's amazing.
There's a ton of energy in the room. I can't wait to hear their pitches.
I don't think words could describe it. Maybe amazing, maybe amazing.
And we could have not imagined that from the start, so it's great we're here now and I think we're looking forward to continue.